I've had contact with a few people that are working this All-in-One Profits program with me, and I showed them how to use Notepad++ to open up a web page template that I send them, and then open it up in the browser and jockey between the two. And I guess it was confusing. Anyway, I got some feedback, and nobody did it, so I thought I'd go research out a way to do it a lot simpler. There's a program that's been around for years called KompoZer. You can download it, just do a search on Google for it. You download it for free, and there's no upgrades or anything. It's all free. That's what you see on the screen right here. So what I'm going to do is open up that template that I send people. So I'll click on Open up here, and I'm going to go to Set Up Task, and then index.html is the file you want to edit, and that's what we're going to upload. There's the file right there. This is what they call WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get. So whatever you edit on this page is going to show up in the finished web page. So let's say we wanted to change this date. All we do is put the cursor there and delete that. And today's the 5th, so I'll put 5 in there. We're going to make it for somebody else's AIOP account. So let's take my name out of there and then put my user.aiOphosting.com. And let's say we don't want to make it for 21.5, we want to make it for 22.5. So change that to 22. You can change this to 41 because it's a little less money, or a little more money. So let's make it 47. You look it up and you can figure out what the tokens are worth. Then you put that in there. And then all this copy on here is copy that I wrote. You're welcome to change it anytime you want to. We can change this link to be your link by just coming up here and clicking on this link button. And there's the link. You'd put your Traffic Swirl ID link in there, and it will give you the credit for the referrals instead of me. So I'm going to cancel that. The rest of this verbiage is all pretty simple, and you go in and edit anything that you want to change. You can see it's just like using a word processor. If you wanted to change any of these images, let's say this image got old and you wanted to update it, all you do is put the cursor on there and click it, hit the delete key, come up here and say image, and we're going to install it from a file. So I'll just put let's just grab the Bill's image because it's easy. And then you can put alternate text in there, or you can say don't use it. Say OK, and there's the picture. I can click on that. I can resize it. But you can see you can put anything you want in there in a way of an image. Let's go down here. Here again, this is one that you're going to want to fix. So you just highlight that whole thing. Come up here to the link, and we're going to change this to whatever ID you want to give credit for the signups. So put my ID here, say OK. That's about it. You can change this name if you want to put your name in there, and your phone number. If you want to put your Skype ID in here. I love using Skype, so change that. When you're all done, you come up here to the top and you say File, Save As, and we're going to call this index.html because that's the only way that it's going to run. And just say Save. It says you already have it. You want to replace it. Say Yes. That's all there is to it. Now you can go up and open up that folder, and what you'd want to do is create this tsimages.zip, and I'll show you how to do that. You want this file in it. You want this file in it, which is the extra text that you put on the offer. This file in it. This is a dummy file I put on just playing with it. Then just right click on that images box and say send to compressed. There it is. This TS images is the one that you upload to your folder on your AIOP hosting, and I have another video that shows you how to do that, and then extract it and you're ready to go. Then just advertise that, and I have another video that shows you how to set up the ad. So this was just to get you an easier way to edit it so you don't have to go in there and look at the HTML code. So have fun with this and let's go make some money.